How to get a job in Germany in 2025. Dreaming of working in Germany? Here's your step-by-step guide to make it happen, with help from Visas Avenue, your trusted immigration consultants. Step 1. Start with the Opportunity Card, a points-based visa that lets you enter Germany to find a job. Visas Avenue can help you check your eligibility and apply hassle-free. Step 2. Identify your field. Germany is hiring skilled workers in IT, healthcare, engineering. Visas Avenue can guide you in checking if your profession is in demand. Step 3. Update your resume. Tailor your CV to the German format. Add a professional photo, detailed experience, and key skills. Need help? Visas Avenue has you covered. Step 4. Learn basic German skills. A2B1 will give you an edge. Visas Avenue can recommend top language courses. Step 5. Start your job search. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Stepstone, and Shane. Don't know where to start? Visas Avenue provides industry-specific job portal suggestions. Step 6. Ace your interviews. Be punctual, research the company, and highlight your skills. Visas Avenue offers mock interviews and expert tips to help you succeed. Step 7. Apply for residence permit. Once you get the job, convert your job seeker visa to a residence permit. Congratulations, you're now living and working in Germany. Contact Visas Avenue today to make your German dream a reality. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone planning to work in Germany.